When will you start your new course?
I will start my new course next week.
What will you do after dinner?
I will watch a movie after dinner.
Where will you go tomorrow?
I will go to the library tomorrow.
How will you spend your weekend?
I will spend my weekend with my family.
Why will you join the English club?
I will join the English club to improve my speaking skills.
When will he visit his grandparents?
He will visit his grandparents next Sunday.
What will she cook for lunch?
She will cook pasta for lunch.
Where will they travel next summer?
They will travel to Turkey next summer.
Why will it rain tomorrow?
It will rain tomorrow because of the heavy clouds.
How will this book help you?
This book will help me understand English grammar better.
When will John call his friend?
John will call his friend tonight.
What will Sarah buy from the market?
Sarah will buy some fruits from the market.
Where will the teacher teach next year?
The teacher will teach at a new school next year.
Why will the manager hire new staff?
The manager will hire new staff to handle more customers.
When will your parents arrive home?
My parents will arrive home in the evening.
What will your brother study at college?
My brother will study computer science at college.
Where will your sister work after graduation?
My sister will work in a software company after graduation.
Why will your friends visit the museum?
My friends will visit the museum to learn about history.
How will your team win the match?
My team will win the match by playing smartly.
When will they complete the project?
They will complete the project by Friday.
What will the children learn at school?
The children will learn new lessons at school.
Where will the tourists stay in the city?
The tourists will stay in a five-star hotel in the city.
Why will the students attend the seminar?
The students will attend the seminar to gain knowledge.
How will the farmers protect their crops?
The farmers will protect their crops with pesticides.
When will the train leave the station?
The train will leave the station at 8 o'clock.
What will the doctor suggest to the patient?
The doctor will suggest some medicines to the patient.
Where will the animals find food in winter?
The animals will find food in the forest during winter.
Why will the company change its logo?
The company will change its logo to look more modern.
How will the government support poor families?
The government will support poor families with funds.
When will the school reopen after holidays?
The school will reopen next Monday after holidays.
What will the new movie be about?
The new movie will be about friendship and dreams.
Where will the wedding ceremony take place?
The wedding ceremony will take place at a hotel.
Why will the team celebrate tonight?
The team will celebrate tonight because they won the game.
How will the engineer fix the problem?
The engineer will fix the problem using new tools.
When will the sun rise tomorrow?
The sun will rise at 6 o'clock tomorrow.
What will the children play in the park?
The children will play football in the park.
Where will your uncle build his new house?
My uncle will build his new house near the river.
Why will your aunt visit the city?
My aunt will visit the city to meet her relatives.
How will your cousins spend their holidays?
My cousins will spend their holidays in the mountains.
When will you meet your teacher again?
I will meet my teacher again next week.
What will you tell your friends about the trip?
I will tell them all the exciting stories about the trip.
Where will you celebrate your birthday?
I will celebrate my birthday at a restaurant.
Why will you move to another city?
I will move to another city for my job.
How will you improve your English?
I will improve my English by practicing daily.
When will he start his new job?
He will start his new job next Monday.
What will she wear to the party?
She will wear a red dress to the party.
Where will they watch the football match?
They will watch the football match in the stadium.
Why will it be difficult to climb that mountain?
It will be difficult to climb that mountain because it's very high.
How will this course benefit you?
This course will benefit me by increasing my confidence.
When will the shop open in the morning?
The shop will open at 9 a.m. in the morning.
What will the chef prepare for dinner?
The chef will prepare grilled chicken for dinner.
Where will the concert take place?
The concert will take place in the city hall.
Why will the lights go off tonight?
The lights will go off tonight due to maintenance work.
How will the students pass the test?
The students will pass the test by studying hard.
When will the rain stop?
The rain will stop in a few hours.
What will the baby do when he wakes up?
The baby will cry when he wakes up.
Where will the dog sleep at night?
The dog will sleep in his kennel at night.
Why will the cat hide under the bed?
The cat will hide under the bed because it's scared.
How will the bird build its nest?
The bird will build its nest with twigs and leaves.
When will the movie start?
The movie will start at 7 p.m.
What will the guests bring to the party?
The guests will bring gifts to the party.
Where will the meeting be held?
The meeting will be held in the conference room.
Why will the teacher give homework?
The teacher will give homework to check students' understanding.
How will the students complete the assignment?
The students will complete the assignment before the deadline.
When will the exam results come out?
The exam results will come out next month.
What will the police officer do about the accident?
The police officer will investigate the accident.
Where will the family go for vacation?
The family will go to the seaside for vacation.
Why will the shopkeeper close the store early?
The shopkeeper will close the store early for repairs.
How will the workers finish the task?
The workers will finish the task by working overtime.
When will the plane land?
The plane will land at 6:30 p.m.
What will the passengers do after landing?
The passengers will collect their luggage after landing.
Where will the conference happen this year?
The conference will happen in Dubai this year.
Why will the speaker arrive late?
The speaker will arrive late due to traffic.
How will the artist paint the portrait?
The artist will paint the portrait using oil colors.
When will the exhibition open to the public?
The exhibition will open next weekend.
What will the scientist discover in the lab?
The scientist will discover a new chemical in the lab.
Where will the students go for the study tour?
The students will go to a museum for the study tour.